We'll guide you through how to become the CEO of ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI careers page on your desktop. Once you're there, you'll want to look for any open positions related to executive leadership or specifically the CEO role if available. It's important to keep in mind that such high-level positions might not always be listed, so you need to periodically check for updates. If you find a listing, click on it to read the job description carefully. Make sure you understand the qualifications and responsibilities outlined and assess whether your experience aligns with what's required. If you're ready to apply, prepare a detailed resume highlighting your leadership experience, tech industry knowledge, and any strategic accomplishments that make you a strong candidate. Craft a compelling cover letter that outlines your vision for ChatGPT and how you plan to drive the company forward. Use specific examples from your past roles to demonstrate your leadership style and achievements. If the role isn't currently listed, don't get discouraged. You can still make an impact by networking with people in the industry. Attend relevant tech conferences, engage with OpenAI's content on LinkedIn, and connect with current employees. Building these relationships can provide insights into the company's culture and priorities and might even lead to internal referrals in the future. Remember, becoming a CEO is about demonstrating vision, leadership, and the ability to drive positive change. Stay persistent and prepared. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.